Couple more.
Gee. Yeah, a big difference in bats.
Plus, that was a great pitch.
Oh God, why is he parking right there? Is that Donald?
Oh, no, he's got the. Didn't he get an SUV?
Hey, I wouldn't park there. I wouldn't park there. It's not smart to park there.
Balls are going over the fence.
God damn it, slipped again. Fuck.
Oh, Lord.
Yeah, his bat's in a whole nother realm. Last one with this bat. Shit, and I missed that. Damn it. I'm shifting my hands and moving my body too much.
Yeah, just keep him back.
Yep.
There you
Hey,
go. That fucking thing's retarded.
I swing your 28 ounce once?
Yeah. That thing is a freaking.
Yeah, and it's hotter. It's hotter than shit. How many swings you got on this?
Dude, there's like 20.
Okay. It don't feel like a 28.